Do you all have window tint that you just can't stand? You want to take it off? Well, I do. And right here on the visor of my windshield, take a look, right up top. That thing aggravates me more than anything. Look at the inside. Look at this. It's like the biggest freaking thing right in your vision. So like when I sit in the driver's seat, this line is literally right in my vision. It's the most aggravating thing. I did not put this on there. I bought the truck like this. That AST line, that right there is, I guess, the legal, you can't go past that line with the tint. And I'm like 2 inches or 3 inches past it. Really don't like it at all. So we're gonna take it off. The easiest way I've always done it is with a simple blow dryer. Sometimes I've had to use a heat gun if it's really stubborn, but normally the heat from this guy peels it right off. I started peeling it here one day just to see how sticky this stuff was gonna be. I think this hair dryer is gonna work. If you get it nice and hot, the little glue or adhesive or whatever it is behind it, I don't do window tint, but it comes with it. If you just peel it off right now, you start ripping the tint and then you'll be scraping it with a razor blade, and that just sucks. So let's just start heating it up. Alright, let's see. Look at that. And it just peels so smooth right off there. No residue left behind. But again, you'll notice it. If you don't get the whole thing, you'll notice glue start coming in. Right now, we don't have any glue. It doesn't even take much heat. A lot of people say you have to have a heat gun, but you don't have to. It may make it faster just because you can get heat on it right away, whereas this has to kind of heat it up. So if you don't heat it up good enough, that's what my arm was getting tired. I was losing blood and I got lazy, and that's what it did. So you gotta heat it up so it doesn't do that. So I got lazy right here. It wasn't enough heat, but it's only like a very, very small couple spots. But 95% of it came right off with nothing, no scraping at all. That's awesome. Now I'm gonna do the other side, because that's the side that really matters, because that's the side that's always on my freaking vision. All right, let's see. Oh, like butter. Okay, so I didn't quite heat it up good enough right there. You can see the stickiness though right there. So we're gonna heat it up really good. So the mark on the windshield, the AST line's right here. And we were all the way down here. So as I was sitting right here, this is my line of vision right here. So that thing was literally like right here. right across my eyes. There's no way you could have liked that. I mean, even if it did look good, which I don't think it did because it was a bit too big. I like them when they're done up top. I mean, I could have cut it down and trimmed it, but either way, I just wanted it gone. That's what this is for. And it just made it like nighttime. It just made it dark. I don't know how people like the entire front shield tinted. Look, tell me that don't look better. I know some of you actually like that tint up top. It's just not my thing. I just don't like it just because it was in my way. Like I said, I didn't put it on. I bought the truck like that, and from day one, when I got the truck and I got in, I was like, it's literally in my vision, like right in my eye line. I think it looks a lot better. I'll be able to see now. So again, I only did it with this, the blow dryer, to show you that you don't need a heat gun to do this. I do have a heat gun. It is faster. You can heat up the whole thing nice and hot, and this thing just pulls right off. You can do this right here in your garage at the house. But guys, if you would, like, share, and subscribe, and I just got to get some a little bit of residue off. But we'll see you.